everybody, it's Robin. I'm here with Nameless, and I am going to start with a blue tip, a light blue tip. Now I have a gray. I'm going to do a snow scene, and I've done them a million different ways, but this one's going to be cool because it's going to have a, what is it, Nameless? A little, it's a Christmas ball.
It's an ornament with a fairy queen in it, an ice queen.
An ice queen. So it's the first time I've done something like that. So I'm taking this and just brushing with a dry brush method over the top of the light blue and just getting it a little bit darker, but giving it a layered look. So if it gets a little bit too dark, just touch it. The layers dry really fast, so you don't have to worry too much. But this is only one layer of light blue. That's why I'm allowed to like really go in there. And you don't have to, just barely tip and then kind of grab it and just kind of scratch it across. This takes time, so if you don't get it straight away, it's okay. And you can use acrylic paint for this as well. It's just that she wears her nails really well a lot, so it's good to put as much polish as you can down there and top coat it really good, because that's why we have to do her nails so short. So let's see, we'll get that finished and then get my paints out and I'll be ready. Okay, so, oh, I didn't know, I need filming.
Were you?
Not the whole thing. Okay, so I made pastels, pink, orange, yellow, green, teal, light green, white down here, and they're all very thin. So I just have all the little tiny thins. And then I have a little stylus, and I am going to dip them into each color. Ooh, that's scratchy. Hold on a second. Let me try something else. So I have one of these, an eyelash separator. Where am I? There we go.
That's what that is?
Yeah, it is. Well, you put the fake eyelashes on with that, and then with the glue, and then you separate them, and it works great for nail art, and you can't get any little pieces of little fuzz on them. That's why they're good for eyelashes.
Nice.
So you don't go blind.
Learn something new every day.
I know. Me too. When I got these, I was like, ooh, and I bought like 500 of them. So I was like, I need all of these before everybody else finds out about them, and they cost a fortune. So I'm going to go in with the pink, then with the white, yellow, I mean the
orange.
Orange, thank you.
No problem.
And oh, I like that because then it's just a little bit. So what I'm doing is I'm just giving off the illusion that little lights are being put in the back of these. Let me just work on one and show you how I'm going to work this. So here's that, and then I'm going to go in with a little tiny bit of green. You'll start to see how these all kind of go together in the prettiest way. You're going to see how the scratch marks on the nails aren't starting to show up now. Okay, now with the stylus, I'm going to go in with the white after I get a few colors in there, and then I'm going to put some snow.
That's snow cool.
Yeah, that. Yeah. Oh my gosh! So there's she's messing with my creative ability right now. Okay. That's snow cool. Okay, so then we're gonna do little snowflakes. That's snow beautiful. Dork.
Sorry, Robin.
You're good. Dude, you're all good. I freaking love you. Okay, here's this. We're gonna do a little circle. Okay, and just make little tiny snowflakes like this. Little one. And then see how they all look, they're starting to look a little bit like hollow glitter is in behind it. And then when I put glitter on it, it's just gonna just transform it into this wonderland. So that's how I'm gonna do most of them. Then on one of them, which one? You pick the nail with the lady. Good. Perfectly chosen. So with this one, I'm gonna use a real thin white, and I'm gonna this with just the tiniest amount of, I mean, it's just look how thin that paint is. And I'm gonna make a sheer ball like that. Yeah, great. And it's gonna dry into an icy, like sheer. Okay. Perfect. Then I'm going to put in some silver and black right here and make the top of the ornament like that. Now I'm going to mix some blue and black, and that will be her her dark colors of her face. So here we go. I'm going to put in her eyes and her nose. Have you had Christmas winter fairies before? I think you did.
It seems like I had to have.
Yeah, because you like winter fairies.
Yeah, I'm a big fairy. I love
Yeah,
them.
you do. Who is the fairy we painted on her knees that one time? By you said you saw fairy things. Like you've been to fairy conventions.
I went to the fairy festival a couple of times.
Yeah. And who did we paint? We painted somebody.
We've done Amy Brown fairies.
Yeah. Did Amy saw them?
I don't think she was there that day, or I missed her.
Oh. Something tells me.
I know that I met Brian and Wendy Froud and Toby Froud, and they did all the labyrinth and the dark crystal, the puppets and stuff like that.
That's so cool. I love the dark crystal. Okay, so there's her basic face. Now I'm going to go in with the white into that same color. And these are the midtones. And I'm just going to put blue midtones so that she looks frosty. And then she mixes right down in with the tip of the nail so that she looks like she's in that winter wonderland, and it is kind of like beaming out, if that makes sense. And if it doesn't, just keep following me. It's blue. Follow with me, blue. Okay. And my brush is completely like almost up and down. Okay, now I'm going to go in with highlights, which is a white and blue, more white than blue. Do that. Do this, do this, and then now we put in the hair. So I'm going to put in the hair. She has white hair. So I'm going to first put in the outline. And then I will make it look like white, or I'll just put glitter there to make it look beautiful. Now I'm going to highlight with thick white that hasn't been dulled down with the water. Just right here. See how much more bright it is? Go around. Touch, go up, then I'm going to go around, up.
This is Robin adapting.
Yeah, I was going to do elves. I started out, I was going to do elves, and then we did a witch and a crystal ball and a ball. But you know what though, I still had all my paints ready. Here, let me teach while I'm doing this. Okay, I had all my paints ready, and I was open-minded when because it's the beginning of the month and I have all months to paint. So I was open, but I still had everything ready, and we kind of did this together because we both have similar tastes, and so like we were good.
Uncanny.
It is, and it's great, kind of, because I know I could count on her for some weird stuff. Wait till you see next time. Okay. Now, yeah, I have next time all ready, and I wasn't ready today. Weird. Okay, so there's the little cheeks coming out. And then I'm going to do that little eye. Now the black is going to look extremely dark, but I can fix everything because I only need a little tiny black. See? And then I can do the smile. There. She's a nice evil witch. Ta-da! Okay. Okay, so now, okay, here's the thing. I'm gonna put a stick through there just because it's gonna not look like it's hanging. And then with white, I'll put some needles to make it look like a Christmas tree.
A snowy one.
A little snowy little branch. Okay. There's that. I'm gonna go in. And then I'm just gonna shore it up. But you see the general idea, and then I'm gonna put maybe a little loose gel over the top of it just so it bubbles a tiny bit, and then I'll show you from all directions like that. I'm gonna clear up all the lines to make sure it's more round, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so I'm gonna show really quick with a top coat of just clear top coat, because I haven't done any extra top coating right now. And Mammy's in here. Hi. So, okay, so here is the, there is the design if you only have top coat, okay? Here, I'm gonna let you move it around because we saw. Now, while she shows you this one, I'm going to matte the rest of them now. I'm gonna matte them, and then I'm gonna put a gel over the top of the Christmas ornament with the fairy in it, and then it will look like the fairy is in the middle of the ornament. But I wanted to show you just in case for all these people that are just using top coat. They're beautiful. Meet you back. Okay, now here we are with the end result with the matte nails and the shiny globe like that. Okay, so I want Nameless to show you guys, and I will say, if you copy these, please show me on Instagram, hashtag inspired by Robin Moses. I'm all OCD, I'm looking in on this thing. For you guys who don't know, when you use a matte top coat, it looks like the cuticles need to be done, but it's really just the top coat all getting dry. And because these are so wet, it always looks like they're a little chalky, but never fear, when she washes her hands, they'll be perfect. But I wanted to show you, these are just real nails. I'm not gonna try and make them look fake. So, I use the wand at robinmosesnailart.com. Hashtag me if you copy. These will be in the Christmas playlist and in the winter playlist because they would be perfect for winter nails. And anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back with more. Bye.
Bye. Face.
Right. So you can't really see your face. Let me put another light on it. We're gonna get her. There we go. So she just looks like she's in a little Christmas ball on a white tree. You want to see? Did you get?
Oh, that's good. That's better.
Okay. So yeah, so it looks like you can create anything you want in the ball as well. You can like make whatever you want. I should have made an elf just to make it, just to laugh. You know what? This is gonna bug me the whole time.
Oh my gosh, you're killing me.
I'm killing everything. I always am like that. Okay, so anyways, you guys, there you go. Okay, bye. Since I have another light going on here, let me try and see if that works better because these are so highly glossy. Yeah, that looks awesome. You want to see that, Michelle?
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, maybe it was just a bad light. So hopefully that works better. If you want, you can move them around.
Oh my goodness.
Because I can cut out the other one that was poor. I love that pic. Wait, I want to take a picture of you doing your nails because that looks so cute. Hold on, you're gonna see how cute you look. Hold on.
Oh my gosh. Filter it.
I refuse. Oh my god, you're so cute. Where's Mammy? Mammy's hiding.
I am.
Mammy, put your head
I'm
out.
hiding behind cuteness.
Move your head out. I want to see you in the back. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, sorry. But you guys are so cute right now, and I'm looking at from my angle. Aren't you cute?
Okay, we're a little bit adorable.
Yeah, you are. Okay, I'm done. Now let me take a picture.
We're still recording.
This.